What's the meaning of bagel? Bagel. Bagel.
Bagel. Bagel. A bagel is a type of bread that is dense and chewy, with a distinctive shape that is round with a hole in the center. Traditionally, bagels are boiled in water before they are baked, giving them their characteristic texture and flavor. They are often eaten for breakfast or as a snack, either plain or with various toppings such as cream cheese, butter, jam, or smoked salmon. Bagels originated in Jewish communities in Poland in the 16th century and became popular in North America during the 20th century. Today, they are enjoyed by people of many different cultures and are a beloved staple food in many parts of the world.